Hey everybody, this is Gary again from Gmak'S Helmet Liners. It's been about a good 5 years since I've even made a video about installation. I figured I'd try something new and just put more energy into it. But anyway, this is the helmet liner that you just ordered. Pretty simple installation. It's going to take just a few seconds to do it. All you have to do is just snap these together once you install it in your helmet, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. What I have here is I have a helmet from Phoenix Technologies. It's the helmet that we wear in my department, so we'll just use that for now. These liners will fit into any model and manufacturer's helmets as long as it has a suspension. Your adjustable suspension. If it doesn't have a suspension, it's not going to work, because what happens is this liner actually wraps around the front of your suspension and snaps in. So to install it, just lay it in there, helmet front forward, pull the front of your suspension towards you, and snap the two sets of snaps together. Once that's done, put your suspension back where it was, dress it up a bit. What you want is you want to be sure that it looks like this. Okay, you've got the top pad and then you've got the forehead pad. This is my 2-in-1. And the cool thing about this is you're not going to have any sweat going in your eyes, because this portion here is going to absorb it all. And quit checking out my legs. But anyway, no, this portion here is going to absorb all your sweat. This is where a lot of the comfort is, unless you're a guy that shaves your head or can't grow any hair up there. This is going to be the comfort part. What I keep hearing is having straps on your skull, if you shave your head, is totally uncomfortable. So this is why I came up with this 2-in-1. Now you've got comfort for the top of your head, and you've got comfort for your forehead, just right above your brow. Let's see what else. Care instructions are really easy. All you have to do is just, again, unsnap them, take it out, snap it together, and you can put this thing in the washer and dryer. I was in a hurry one day. I threw my liner in with the rest of my gear, washed it, dried it, and nothing happened to it. The only thing you can't do is throw it into an extractor. Don't do that, because it's going to suck all this foam out. It's going to ruin it. So washer and dryer care is fine. This is an aftermarket product. It's not endorsed by any helmet manufacturer. It doesn't change the integrity of your helmet, because all this does is add comfort to what you already have. You don't need to take anything out of your lid of your suspension in order for this to work. So this is just adding more comfort in your helmet. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number, my email, you can text me, whatever. It's on my Facebook page under Gmak'S Helmet Liners. And thanks again. Just appreciate your business, and you guys stay safe out there.